How to repair iPhone XS Max speaker grill. In this video, I am showing the special methods to repair iPhone audio without opening iPhone. Let's check this iPhone audio quality without repairing. Now we are showing how to repair this speaker grill without opening an iPhone. First of all, you need to take a brush to repair your iPhone speaker grill. And we need some isopropyl to repair this speaker grill. I am showing this isopropyl bottle in this video. Let's take some isopropyl through brush and clear the iPhone speaker grill. Now we need to do some repairs in iPhone speaker grill. Take one spatula and clear the dust from the speaker hole to make louder sound. Finally, we have done our repairing through brush and isopropyl to make our iPhone XS Max speaker louder. Let's check the music of this iPhone. Let's check the iPhone sound after repairing.
Please call between